This is a quick video on how to set up wireless on your Watchguard Firewall using the web interface. I'm just doing this on a Watchguard T10-W, so if I just log in, I've just browsed to the internal IP address of the Watchguard Firewall, port 8080. Just log in. But once that's loaded, if you go under the section Network on the left hand side and then Wireless, perfect. And if we just enable wireless here and enable wireless access point, and if we configure the access point 1, enable access point 1, we'll just call that access point 1, nice and simple. And wireless, we want that to be broadcasted. We want people to see the network if they want to connect. We don't want to hide that. It's always handy to log authentication events just for troubleshooting. It's fine. We're just going to call this network test. And then if we give it the password test12345, it has to be a minimum of 8 characters. We're not going to be doing any MAC address filtering, so we're not going to restrict it to the MAC address of a single device or a handful of devices. But if we just return to the main page, I will leave this on 2.4 gigahertz, mainly because it goes further distance, lower throughput, but that's fine. We want it to cover more distance in our house. And then if I just save that, and let that run through. Okay, that has gone through successfully. Let's just have a look, see if we can connect to that network. Let's have a look for it in the list. Oh, there we go, test. Let's try and connect. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give that a moment or two. And there we go, and we're connected. Let's just quickly browse the internet to make sure that works. It's good, somewhere updated, bbc.co.uk. Brilliant. There we go, all done.